Tell you this, Adar, I really do, but I must tell you the truth. God said He's going to put an end to all the people. That's what He said. The earth is filled with violence and sin, He said. And He is grieved by all of this, killing and hatred and unspeakable acts. He is grieved. God is grieved, Adam.
Was right. I should have known. God's timing is perfect, and He always keeps His promises.
It's a man lineup.
Then the sun came out and the rain did cease. A rainbow appeared, a sign of peace. They landed on a mountain, tall and grand, and all the animals walked on the land. Noah thanked the heavens, smiled with cheer, for the ark had kept them safe from fear. Oh, the ark of Noah sailing through the storm, safe and sound where it's nice and warm, with lions and tigers, elephants too. In the ark of Noah, dreams come true. So remember the story of Noah's Ark, a tale of hope that leaves a mark. With love and care, we can weather the rain and find sunshine and joy once again.
God told Noah to build a large boat called an ark out of gopher wood. The ark would have many rooms and a roof over the top to keep out the water. So Noah, together with his 3 sons, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, and his wife and his sons' wives, built the ark. They brought plenty of food aboard for themselves and the animals to eat. Soon the animals came to Noah and were loaded into the ark 2 by 2.
Keep 'em coming, Shem. Keep 'em coming. That's it. Move 'em along. Look, where are those 2 kangaroos?
Then God said to Noah,
Go into the ark, for it will rain in 7 days.
Noah did all the Lord commanded.
Noah was a righteous man. God said, build a boat you can, big and strong to hold us all, before the rain begins to fall. Noah's Ark, animals boarding after dark. 2 by 2, a happy crew. Noah's Ark, me and you. Lions, tigers, bears, oh my. Giraffes reaching for the sky. Elephants with trunks so grand, marching to the promised land. Noah's Ark, animals boarding after dark. 2 by 2, a happy crew. Noah's Ark, me and you. Rain, rain, go away, but it rained for many